Today we are going to talk about
Plasma gasification. Plasma gasification is a fantastic process in which waste is broken down to 0.003% of its original size, while producing gas, which can be used to generate electricity.
Before I explain what actually happens and why it's useful, I'm first going to break down the basics.
Gasification is a process in which high amounts of heat are used to essentially burn or incinerate organic material, breaking down its original surface area and resulting in the creation of a gas.
You may be wondering where plasma fits into all this, and you've hopefully heard that
Solids, liquids, and gases as the three staple types of matter. But did you know plasma is a black sheep fourth state of matter? It is neither a solid, liquid, or gas, but has properties of all three. The scientific anomaly of not fitting into one of the three states called for the creation of a category entirely of its own.
plasma is a perfect substance for gasification because unlike a liquid or a solid, the sea of electrons is freely flowing and ionized.
It is an electrically neutral medium of unbound positive and negative particles, making it a perfect substance to generate an electrical current.
Plasma is used in the gasification process to heat both organic and inorganic materials through a plasma torch and catalyze it into syngas. Synthesis gas, or
Syngas is any mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide, and, in some cases, carbon dioxide.
but in the case of plasma gasification,
Very little, if any, carbon dioxide is produced, making it a clean energy source.
compared to trash incineration. Unlike normal waste-to-energy technologies, plasma gasification is extremely flexible in what it can process. From your used Q-tip to an old can of hairspray, solid, liquids, and gases can be turned into energy. Now to what actually happens.
Inside an oxygen-starved gasifier, waste is heated to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit using a plasma torch. The extreme heat breaks apart any chemical bonds and converts them into syngas.
This syngas is then sent to a gas turbine generator to produce electricity, or to a steam turbine generator to produce steam. All organic materials are broken down to their basic elements.
So, essentially, even hazardous waste becomes energy in the form of syngas. All inorganic material is melted and fused into slag.
Slag is a multi-purpose material that can be blended with cement to be used for road and housing materials. 100% of all metals are recycled in the process, and 0.003% of the original biomass remains. Imagine if we did this with all the garbage that circles in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
The 1.4 billion tons of waste that enter the garbage patch each year can become less than 4 million tons of garbage.
You may be thinking, plasma gasification sounds quite glamorous, so why doesn't everyone do it? Well, for one thing, all that glamour comes with a price tag. The startup costs are exponentially more significant than any practical form of trash incineration. The operational costs are also high.
In the end, what it comes down to is the economy versus the environment and finding a triple bottom line.
And basically, how the international environmental policy is developing, it is up to our generation to make change.